Hi guys, today I'll show you how to replace the batteries and set the clock on your Mitsubishi Electric SG remote controller, just like this one. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments. I read and reply to as many as I can. Let's get started. So first, remove the lid, just like this. Insert two new AAA alkaline batteries. Make sure to insert the negative side first. Reinstall the front lid. Then gently press the reset button using a thin object like a pen. Now you will see the time display blinking. That means it's ready to be set. By the way, if this video helps you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really supports us. Press the clock button. Only the clock will blink. Use the time button to adjust the time. Each press changes the clock by 1 minute or 10 minutes if you hold the button longer. Press the day button to set the current day. Finally, press the clock button to confirm. That's it. The clock will stop blinking and your remote is ready to go. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.